JCA Construction, servicing Niagara with paint-ready drywall.
Layout is set, seams are tight, and we hang clean.
From hang to finish, every step is deliberate.
Tape centered, no bubbles. Corners sharp.
Precision today means faster paint tomorrow.
Wider pass, softer edge, zero ridges.
We chase the line until it disappears.
Minimal dust, maximum smooth.
Ready for paint means no surprises for your finish. JCA Construction, drywall installation and finishing, ready for paint.
The Niagara region. Licensed, insured, on schedule.
Book your estimate today at jcaconstruction.ca or email jeremiah@jkconstruction.ca.